Postgraduate Research and Innovation Symposium is one of the premier events in our university's calendar, and it generally showcases the cutting-edge research carried out by our postgraduate students in all spheres of science from the 5 schools in our college.
The universe is now our best laboratory for fundamental physics. We can see black holes, we can see neutron stars. It's just unbelievably exciting. Instead of building particle accelerators, we just look at the sky, and nature is providing us with the collisions between neutron stars.
Welcome to the Chris Buckley Memorial Lecture and day 2 of the Postgraduate Research and Innovation Symposium for the College of AES.
I remember being with him in the deep rural areas of Pietermaritzburg, an area called Vulindlela, where we were pointing fingers at sludge, and he told us that it's going to be turned into something useful. I can take you there now. I can touch that sludge, and I can produce something that is called food. Thank you very much, Chris.
Chris's behind-the-scenes work will have an impact for many years to come. He started us on a course and on a way of thinking and new ideas that will drive research and innovation for many years to come. So yeah, a special person has left us.
I know many of my young researchers and some of my other researchers always said that Chris had this amazing ability to make them believe in themselves. And so I suppose he made people believe in their knowledge and built trust so that they could share knowledge together. So these were very special characteristics that enabled him to really drive transdisciplinary research in the university and globally.
I think we've achieved what we wanted to achieve. Part of this training is to allow our postgraduate students not only to perform laboratory experiments and field experiments and write those up in terms of theses and journal papers, but also to communicate their results to a wider audience, to a public audience, and to actually get their message across as to what they're doing, why they're doing it, and how it's going to impact society, the environment, and other facets of life.